welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Evelissa, but you can call me Eva. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm very redundant when I say this, but I truly do want to apologize for being MIA. I'm telling you, my schedule, it has not been stable, for starters, but soon I'm gonna be consistent with my videos, so don't worry. And I hope everybody's being safe with this whole coronavirus that's out. Make sure to wash your hands and everything, okay? So today I'm gonna do something different. I am going to show you guys how I do my updated eyebrow routine, okay? So I am going to show you guys the items that I use for my eyebrows, and then we're going to get started. So I'll be using this e.l.f. foundation palette, okay? And I'll be using these two brushes. I have this e.l.f. brow pencil. I have a regular drugstore eyebrow pencil. It says eye pencil, but I use it for my brows, and I got it in dark brown. Focus. I got this eyebrow powder. It had two shades, but that one broke. I think it was like a darker, either lighter. I have to re-up on this one, but I still manage. And this is supposed to be clear clear gel that I just do to just set my eyebrows, but clearly that's not clear anymore. But yeah, these are the items that I'll be using, and this is my shake that I'll be drinking. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna do one eyebrow on camera, and then I'll do the other one off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna start with my right. So what I do, I outline the bottom, and then after that, when I'm done outlining the bottom, I'm going to show and explain how I do the rest, the remaining of the eyebrow. I'm gonna come close. I'm looking at my mirror right here, okay? Like I said, outline the bottom. I only get my eyebrows threaded. I don't like getting them waxed. I used to get them waxed all the time, but my skin started like breaking out, and I'm like, most likely they don't change the wax or whatever, so I stopped. And my skin's been like really good. But yes, I outlined the bottom. So I'm gonna go to like the middle of my brow and do like a little arch. I'm gonna define my arch and bring it down to the tail. Okay? While I'm doing that, I'm slowly, gradually like going in the front and defining the front. I know this looks like another color than my eyebrows, and that's perfectly fine. Everything is gonna come together. So that's done, right? So you take the end of this eyebrow brush, this is called a spoolie, and then you just blend. I don't like boxy fronts. I like more so like gradient effects when it comes to like eyebrows. I'm telling you, some girls make their eyebrows so boxy, and I'm like, shorty, it's not it. It's just not it. I know people are like, oh my gosh, Eva, that's two different colors. I know. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh. Okay. That's how it looks so far, right? So we're going to go with the e.l.f. brow pencil, and then go in and like, you know, define the arch even more. And the tail. You see? I don't know if you guys could see a difference already. This is the regular brow. This is the brow that we just did. Whatever you do, make sure you blend after. So blend, blend, blend. Okay, that's how it's looking right now. Okay, that's fine. So now we're going to go into this. You could either use your concealer that you use or whatever. This is just a foundation palette. I like using it. I've been using it for Lord knows how long. We are going to clean the bottom. I don't really like to clean the top, but other people, they have different methods. This is just how I do my eyebrows, and this is how I accomplish my eyebrows. So yeah, I like to clean the bottom. I start from the inner, like the center to the end, and then I slowly go to the front. And you'll see. Make sure you're very light with your strokes. Whenever it comes to product on your eyebrows, and also the concealer to clean up the bottom. Like, I barely have any product on my brush. Like, that's how light it is.
Of course, like if you go out at nighttime, you would put more product, but me, whether I go out at nighttime or in the morning, I make sure I don't apply too much product. Because that's just how I like to accomplish my brows.
So this is how it looks like now. It looks nice, clean, nice and crisp. You can already see the difference. Okay? And I don't know if you guys could see it, but you see the gradient effect, how it's like lighter in the front and darker in the back. That's why I like using the e.l.f. pencil, and I like using my, you know, regular dollar pencil, whatever I get at my beauty supply store. Now I am going to dip into the powder, and I'm mainly gonna focus the powder on the outer, like the end of the eyebrow, the center and the end of the eyebrow. Because remember, I told you from the beginning we wanted a gradient effect. And then blend. And ta-da! Now your eyebrows are snatched. So I'm gonna come back with both of my eyebrows done. And remember, your eyebrows are sisters. They're not cousins, they're sisters. So try to make it as even as possible. If not, it's perfectly fine, whatever. So I'll be back. Okay, so I did my other eyebrow off camera, and the only thing left to do is set it with this clear gel, this clear gel. And yeah, it's very, I just set it up there. Sorry guys if I look. Yeah, baby. Eyebrows done. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know what else you guys would want for me to do. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video on how to do your eyebrows like Eva. And yes, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and just be on the lookout for more videos. Alright, bye, love you.